In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 2025. Hey guys, it's me, Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I make lifestyle videos, vlogs, and all the fun girly stuff. So if you're new here, welcome. I have a completely new iPhone, completely new case, literally everything since last year's video. I cannot wait to show you guys everything on my phone. We have a lot to get into, so let's just get right into it. I have the blue iPhone 15. This is what it looks like with everything on it. I'll slowly start taking everything off, but that's what it looks like right now. I have this Octo Buddy, which is like this pink one from Amazon, and it's the MagSafe version. It's not like one of the adhesive ones because I did not want it to get my case sticky and stuff, even though my case is already really crusty. This case is from the iPhone store, but it's from the brand Casemate. This is what my phone looks like without the Octo Buddy. It is getting kind of crusty on the sides, as you may know. When you have a clear case for a long time, the colors start turning brown. This is what my phone looks like without the case. It is gorgeous. I love the color of my phone. Love everything about it. I'm not gonna really talk about the front of the phone because my screen protector is really cracked. So I will be getting a new screen protector as well, but it's just like a glass screen protector from Amazon. First, I'm going to show you guys all of my little lock screens. This is my main lock screen. I have a bunch of different focuses. I only use one of them all day, and it's the one that has my name on it, but I also have some other ones that I'll go through as well. This is what the first one looks like. It's this really cute blue wallpaper that I found on Pinterest, and I just have this little sunrise and sunset widget. I also have this cute little star and a little heart. The date, as you can see at the top, I have like a little verse text with a heart as well, and it says John 3:16. Now I'm going to hold down and show you guys the rest of them. I have a bunch. Some of them I don't really use anymore, but I'm just going to kind of skim through them really fast. I have this little Christmas wallpaper. I did have this one during Christmas. And then I also have this one, which is also linked to the Me Beth focus. I use this one pretty much every day, a little bit more than like the background one. I just have a bunch of photos of me and my friends, of just like scenery, just some of my favorite pictures from my birthday, from this past summer. I don't have time to go through every single one of those because there are like 45 pictures, but I'm going to show you the next one. This is my old vision board from last year. I don't use this one anymore, but it's really cute. Next one is this little pink wallpaper. This used to be my main wallpaper, but this is my dance focus. This one has like a cute little point shoe and like heart emoji by the date. Next one is this one, linked to my self-care focus. This one is kind of old as well. I think I've had it on here for about 2 years. I don't really use this one anymore, but it has a cute little star and like a little lightning bolt and a heart. I love this one. This one was my old dance wallpaper. I'm not really gonna get into that one, but I don't really use this one anymore either. And this is my sleep wallpaper. It actually doesn't show the wallpaper when it's on my sleep focus, but this is what it looks like when it's like not turned on, I guess you would say. It's kind of pointless because you can't see it, but that's what it looks like. But that one actually does change the color of my wallpaper to like a warmish orange color just to reduce blue light when I'm going to bed. I'm just gonna go back to my main one and then show you guys my home screen from there. This is my home screen. It is so cute. So first I'm gonna show you guys this little widget here at the top. It says the date and it's just like a little calendar. I just made it this cute little cream color. And then if you slide, it's like a little countdown. My first dance competition of the season and in my entire life is in 23 days, so I'm super duper excited for that. Stay tuned for that vlog. These next two widgets are like just photos from Pinterest. I found like a cute little skincare photo and like a little disco ball photo. I love how like the white kind of flushed into the wallpaper, so I did that a lot with the widget. This one is a stack as well. Under this one is my Locket widget. If you don't know what Locket is, it's basically just an app where you can add your friends. You just post a bunch of pictures on here and then it shows up on the widget. We've got Be Real. A lot of people don't really use this app anymore, but I've been using it for so long, so I cannot lose my streak. That's my streak. 887. Next is TikTok, but we all know about TikTok and how it got banned and then unbanned under 14 hours later. But I was very dumb and I offloaded TikTok because my storage needs help. I cannot download TikTok now because they took it off the app store even after it came back, so I don't know why I did that, but I'm just keeping it there because I know I'm gonna get it back eventually. I just don't know when, so sorry if I'm not posting on my TikTok for a while. Next is Instagram. This is my Instagram if you guys want to go follow. Next is Pinterest. Oh my gosh, I love my girl Pinterest. Here's a little glimpse of my Pinterest homepage. It's very aesthetic, very cute. I just get a lot of my outfit inspo here. Really anything. Next we've got YouTube. I love how this icon has like a little bow on it. Next we have my Apple Music. Oh, don't want to show my breakup playlist. This is my January playlist. I just make a new playlist every month. Next is my Photos app. The new update is messing me up so bad. 23,093 items in my camera roll right now. Next we got the camera. The first app we got down here is iMessages. I have a bunch of people pinned, but it's nothing special. We also have FaceTime and then the phone app and Safari. Anyways, now on to the next slide. I actually feel like I like the widgets and stuff on this slide more than the first one, but the first widget at the top, as you can see, is this really cute like beachy summery collage that I found on on Pinterest. Actually multiple collages. I like edited them together so it'd be like sideways instead of like vertical. And it's also a stack. I have a little photo of me and my friend Emma. She's my bestie. I thought it would look really cute with the vibe. We also have one of the like flushed and little seashell. This one I also found on Pinterest. I also found this little cute little quote on Pinterest. It says, God's plan is worth the wait. This stack, I just have a little widget that links to my Apple Music. Next, for all the apps on this page, Laps is basically an app where you like take a photo and then it like processes like a film. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a really cute app. And then I also have CapCut, which I accidentally offloaded it this time. So now I have both TikTok and CapCut offloaded. So now I can't use CapCut either. For now, I'm actually been using InShot, which is a lot similar to CapCut. So if you guys have the same issue, this app is very similar. I also have VSCO right here, and I did not put an app icon on VSCO just because I thought it would look really cute because a couple of the other apps are black and white. I still use it to edit my photos, but I just don't really post on there anymore. If you guys don't remember, I had like a whole scandal of someone stealing my photos off of VSCO because it's very easy to access them without a watermark. So I had to stop posting on there like 2 years ago, and I've just been really scared to start posting on there again. If you want to follow me, you can. Next app we have is Notion. This app is literally my lifesaver. Oh, I had to unlock it with my face. You probably see me use it on my channel all the time. I have this like little main page. The layout looks much better on like my family iPad. Just all of this. It's super cute. I also have, of course, the Bible app. I don't use this a whole bunch because I read my physical Bible, but whenever I'm like at church, this is the app that I use. Next app we have is called Wearing. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if you guys know what this app is, but it's a very cool app, and it's basically kind of like Clueless, where you can like choose your outfit and then you can like make a collage after you make the outfit. Here's some of the outfits that I've posted. I don't use it every single day, but whenever I'm like, I don't know what to wear, I go on here. It's just so cute and so cool. That's ugly. This first folder, I basically just have like all my editing apps, the apps that I use for YouTube, like shopping apps and all that stuff. First we got YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is a necessity. That there, and I also have Fonto. This is the app that I edit my thumbnails with. Next app is Camera Connect. If you don't know what this is, it's basically just the app that I send my footage from my camera to my phone. Next app is LTK Creator. It's just the app that I use to manage like my LTK account. Next is Linktree. I also just have this to manage my Linktree account. Next we have Shuffles. This is an app that Pinterest made. It's a really cute app. You basically just like make collages. I made collages of my dream room. We also got Shazam on here. This app I just use to recognize music if I don't know what a song is called. We also have Locket. This is the app I had the widget for, but I just have the actual app right here. And then next we have Spotify. Again, like I said earlier, I don't use this all the time, but I have some of my older playlists on here. It's very outdated, but I do update this playlist a lot. Next slide, we have Dazcam. This is also another kind of app like Laps, and Hugicam is basically the exact same thing. It just adds a different filter. Next is Time Hop. Basically, it just shows you videos from 1 year ago that day or like earlier. So like see 2 years ago today, I posted this video. If you're someone like me who has a whole bunch of photos in their camera roll, then it's really entertaining. Anyways, the next app I have is Shelf. Kind of gives you a recap of what you've listened to that week. Basically like a Spotify Wraps, but like every week. Anyways, I also have my actual LTK app right here because you have to have 2 separate apps to look at LTK or to like create and post. So now I just have like a bunch of shopping apps. So I have Hollister, Every Jewels, Garage, and Addicted. On the third slide, it's not that fun. I just have Widgetsmith, Color Widgets, and Shortcuts, which are all the apps that I use to add the widgets and the icon. In this folder, I just have Productivity. First, we got the Notes app. I basically use this for everything. We're not gonna get into my notes. Probably just expose myself. Next, I have GroupMe and Services. These apps are basically just apps I had to download for church. Services was an app where it shows the service of your church and like the order of everything and like who does what, I guess. So whenever I get assigned for kids worship, I get to see what songs I have to dance to. Next, I have Google Chat. I used to text my Android friends on here, but now I have a phone number, so it's kind of just there. And then I also have Remind, which is an app I had to download for like a Bible study that I'm in. I have Journal, which this is like a new Apple app or something. I'm not gonna show my face because I don't want to expose my journal entry. I have Reminders and Calendar and Calculator, which I never use. Now we're on to the third slide. We're done with the second slide. I have a cute little widget of me and Emma and Eloise up at the top from my birthday. I'm not super duper proud of like how the app icons look on this page. This page basically just has like all the apps that I kind of need, but like I only use like once or twice a day. I have Gmail, and I actually prefer like the Google Gmail app. It's better in my opinion. I also have the Weather Channel app. I actually prefer this app over the normal weather app as well. I also just have my Settings app, and I have a couple apps down here. I have Contacts, App Store, Maps, and Health, which I don't really use Health much either, but I just go on here whenever I want to be exposed by my bad headphone habits. I have one more little folder of just a bunch of random apps I don't use often either that I have to have on my homepage, because then my parents go on my phone and they're like, where's your Maps app? Like, Sorry, it's right here. I have clock, iDream. Basically just use this every night for my white noise. And I also have files and weather, just the normal. And I have Find My whenever I need to track my parents down or whenever they need to track me down. And I have voice memos, and I'm not gonna go into my voice memo. If you go to the side, it's basically just like another little calendar thingy, first of the day. This is like a little stack. It's just like stuff from Pinterest, and like another Apple Music widget. I have a little battery widget right there, which my phone's about to die. And I have a little screen time thing, which we're not gonna talk about. And then it has another photo from my camera roll that is not very cute, so I'm not gonna show that. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this helped. Just a reminder, I did all of the app icons with shortcuts, and I've had to say this 10 times. And I made all 11. And I made all the widgets with color widgets and Widgetsmith. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you like and subscribe down below if you thought this was helpful, and so you don't miss any more videos. I will see you guys next week. I upload every Friday at 3 p.m. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye!